Small things, big smiles. It was Saturday morning. The sun was shining, and birds were singing outside. Lily opened her eyes slowly and stretched. She had no work today. Usually, she worked part-time at a local bookstore, but Saturdays were her free days. She walked to the bathroom and looked in the mirror. "I look a bit tired today," she said to herself. "Maybe I need a little color." She took out her favorite lipstick, a soft pink one, and carefully put it on. Then she smiled. "That's better," she said, feeling more awake. In the kitchen, she made some tea. She picked up her small silver lighter and lit a candle on the table. She didn't smoke, but she loved the smell of candles in the morning. While drinking her tea, she remembered something important. "Oh no! I almost forgot. I told Emma I'd visit her today. She broke her arm last week." She quickly packed a small bag. Inside, she put some cookies, a card game, and a water bottle. She walked out the door and headed toward Emma's house. When she arrived, Emma was sitting on the sofa with her arm in a big white plaster. Her face lit up when she saw her friend. "You made it. I was starting to think you forgot," she said with a smile. "Never. I brought some snacks and something fun. Want to play a game?" "Of course. I need something to do. Staying home all day is so boring." They sat at the table and opened the game. It was a memory card game. They took turns turning over cards, trying to find pairs. After a few minutes, Lily picked the wrong card again and again. "That's not a match," Emma laughed. "I know. I'm terrible at this," Lily said. "But if it makes you laugh, then I'm doing a good job." They both laughed together. The room felt lighter and warmer. After some time, Emma looked at her arm and sighed. "I'm so tired of this plaster. I can't even wash my hair properly." Lily looked at her kindly. "Don't worry. It's only for a few more weeks. And I'm sure your brother will look after you, right? He's coming later today. He'll bring dinner too." "Wow, he sounds nice. My brother is so mean sometimes. He never helps me with anything." "Really?" "Mine is the opposite. So kind. Too generous, really." Lily rolled her eyes playfully. "Lucky you." She looked at the clock. "Oh, I have to leave soon. I promised my mom I'd help her cook lunch." "No problem. I'm glad you came. It really means a lot to me." "Of course. And wait, this card here, what does it mean?" "It means to try hard, like when someone studies a lot or works with great effort." "Oh, I see. Got it." They stood up and hugged carefully. Lily didn't want to hurt Emma's arm. "See you next week," she said. "And if you get bored again, call me. Always. You're the best." Lily walked home smiling. It wasn't a big day, but sometimes, small moments make the biggest difference. Laugh. Leave. Lighter. Lipstick. Look after. Mean. Mean. Part-time. Plaster. Play.